Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Delta Airlines error code SFAF001. The error reads, "We are sorry, but there was a problem processing your request. Please go back and try again." As per our research, this error comes when users try to search for or book flights on the Delta website. It doesn't matter if the user is trying to book with miles or cash or trying different routes or dates. This error keeps coming up. According to our research, the error is likely caused by issues with the Delta website itself or conflicts with the user's network like VPN or firewall. The first thing you should try is to restart your device along with your internet connection. After restarting, try booking the flight again and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, check if you are using a VPN or behind a firewall. If so, turn off the VPN or switch to a regular network. Then try accessing the Delta site again and see if this resolves the issue. In case you are using the Delta website from your browser, then try switching to a different browser. For example, if you are using Chrome, try opening the website in Firefox or Edge and check for the error again. If the error still comes and you are using the Delta website, then try booking through the Delta app and see if this helps. If none of these steps help, then probably the issue is on Delta's end. In that case, wait for some time and try again. Or if you are in a hurry, you can call Delta support and they should be able to book the tickets for you over the phone. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.